everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this pretty earring, and we just need some super glue, C-bead size 11, C-bead size 8, and oval pearl, a hook, and round pearl size 4 mm. And I just need a needle and a thread, and I'm using a Fireline beading thread. So and by the way, thank you for those who subscribe on my channel, and let's begin. So I just need to pick up C-bead, pearl, C-bead, pearl, okay, C-bead, pearl, C-bead, pearl, C-bead, pearl, C-bead, pearl. Then I have to pass through the seeds, the beads, one more time. Okay, you can just pull. Okay, so have to make a knot first, one knot, oops, and then on my second I always make it 3 round, 1, 2, 3, then pull. Then I use a plier to tighten it, and then okay, from the seed bead we have to pass through here. Oops. Okay, and exit. Oop, set to seed bead. There. Then we pull. Okay. Then I can cut my tail. So I have to pick up 3 seed beads. We are coming from here, so we have to pass here. So we are making a picot. Okay, pass through the pearl and seed bead again, then pull, pick up 3 seed beads, okay, pass through the seed bead, pick up 3 seed beads again, pass through here, pearl, seed bead, pick up 3, pass through here, okay, so we have 4 picots. So from here we have to pass through the pearl, then the seed bead, and then pull, then we have to just flip, pass through the first seed bead here, then the second, the middle, then pull. Then we have to pick up seed bead number 8, 3 super do, another 8, and then pass through here. Pull and pick up another 8, 3 super do's, and number 8 seed bead and pass through here, the one on top. Okay. Okay. Pick up 8, 3 super do's, and 8, and pass through here, the middle. Then pull. Pick up another 8, 3 super do's, then 8, and then pass through the middle seed bead here, the one on top. Okay, so we just pass through all the seed beads here, so to reinforce. Okay. Okay. Just one more. Okay. So we are coming out from the lower hole of the super do. So we are passing through the one on top hole. Okay, and then pull. And just put, yes, I'm going to put this first. 1 8, another 8, then the oval, number 11 seed bead, then the oval pearl here, then 11, then oval pearl, 11, then oval. Okay, so from here we're gonna pick up 5 seed beads. Okay, pass it here. So we'll just pass through all the beads here. Okay, so I'm coming out of number 8 seed bead. So I have to pass through the 3rd seed bead. Then pick up 2 seed bead, 1 pearl, 3 seed bead, and a pearl, and 2 seed beads. 2 seed beads, 1 pearl, 3 seed beads, pearl, and 2 seed beads. So we just drop it and we pass through. We're coming out from here, so we have to pass here, then pull. Then I'll just make another round to reinforce. Okay, pass and then pass through the middle seed beads. Then pass through here again, seed beads. Oops. Pearl. Pass through the middle. So this time I'm gonna pick up 5 seed beads. And then pass through here. Then again, pass through the 5 seed beads that I just added to reinforce. Okay. Then pass through seed beads, pearl, seed beads, and to the middle. Then we flip. Then we pass through here again. So what I'm going to do is just pass through all these seed beads again. So I'm done passing through those beads. So we have to pass through here to reinforce. Okay. Then the middle seed bead. Then we just flip. Okay, one more here. Pass through the 5 seed beads we added a while ago. This is where we're gonna put the hook. Then pass through the middle. Then pass through seed beads, pearl, seed beads. Oops. And then I'm ready to make a knot here. Nuts. So I'm ready to make knots. So it's 1 and 2. Okay, pass through here. And I'll make another 2 knots here. 1, 2. Then pass through these beads again. I guess 2 more knots. Okay. Ready to cut my tail, my thread. Okay. It's pretty. Pretty in blue. hope you like it. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And thank you for watching and have a blessed day, everyone.